I want you to stay that the same. But for the floor there, notice how it has no texture. Notice those red exclamation or red texture there. That shows you that there's not a texture set for that yet. So what I want you to do is within this editor, point to that and left click, and you'll be presented now with this, and press tab now, and you'll go ahead and pull up the textures, and for now just select brown 96 also for that. And I want you to repeat that, and now when you click that, it should have the brown 96 texture automatically there. So left click and do that for all those sides, and there shouldn't be any more red now once you've done that. And let's go ahead and change the floor also. Left click there where the floor is, press tab, and let's change it to flat 1. Doesn't make a whole lot of sense, but let's go back. My bad there. Stay in the editor. But let's change it to that, and now you should see there where the floors drop down, and this is just a very basic explanation of how that works. So what you want to do now is press the W key again to exit the editor, and to exit 3D mode I mean, and you're back there in the editor, and all those changes have been saved that you had just made there. So what I want you to do is go into thing mode, or you can also press the letter T. Once you're in thing mode, I want you to right click about right here, and it will automatically create a thing. And when you have created that, you can left click it to select it, and then right click to drag it around or do whatever. But what I want you to do right now though is right click that, and it'll bring up the thing properties, and you'll see there where it says player 1 start, and for now that's all we'll need. So make sure this is the direction that your guy is facing. Make sure that that's pointed to the right like I have selected. You can change that around, but let's go ahead and make it face to the right, and click OK, and you've now created a player start point. And let's also, in that hole that we created there, let's go ahead and just place a shotgun in that. So right click right there where the hole would be, and right click that to edit the object, and we don't want another player 1 start there. So let's go ahead and go to weapons, expand that with the little plus sign there, and once you have expanded that, so I want you to select the shotgun, and the facing direction doesn't matter for that, so just don't mess with that. Just select shotgun and click OK. Once you have done that, there should now be a shotgun there. And now what I want you to do is go into 3D mode again. Remember, you can press W or you can click the icon. So let's go ahead and just hop into that real quick. And once you're in 3D mode, you'll notice that nothing's showing up. None of your items are there. But what you'll want to do is press the letter T in this mode. Once you do that, now my items are showing up. That turns things on when you press T in the 3D editor. And so now notice there's my shotgun that I've placed, and there's my player start. So you can use this. This is very handy for checking out, just to make sure the things are placed in the correct spot and that it all looks correct. And this is basic enough for now. And what I want you to do now is press W, and once you're back there, I want you to press T or go into things mode, and just, if you're not already in that, and place a monster on the other side of the room. So right click again to edit that object you just placed, and go to the monsters section, press plus to extend it, and let's just create a former sergeant. He'll give us shotgun ammo when we kill him, so that'd be a pretty good enemy. And make sure you set the facing direction to the left, just so that he's facing the player on the other side of the room, and you'll see an arrow on each of the objects that shows where they're facing. So as you can see, there's the monster, the former sergeant. He's facing me, I'm facing him. And go back into the editor, the 3D mode again, pressing W or the icon, and you'll now see there's me, there's him, and his arrow indicates where he's facing. So once we have that, that should be all that we need now for your very first map. And what I want you to do now is click Save Map. Let's go ahead and save that onto the desktop here. And for the map name, you can name it anything you want. Let's just name it First Map for now. So just type in First Map and click Save. And now what I want you to do is go ahead and click Test Map, and here's what your map should look like.